Welcome to HomePan TriPro. If you are tired of bulky appliances cluttering your kitchen or you are working with limited counter space, you might want to pay close attention to this review. Today we are looking at the AirHood Ultra-Slim Induction Cooker, a device that promises to bring professional precision to your home cooking without taking up half your kitchen. Let us start with the design. This thing is remarkably thin, coming in at just 23 mm in height. It weighs under 5 pounds, which makes it one of the most portable and sleekest induction cooktops I have tested recently. Whether you live in a small apartment, a dorm, or you just need an extra burner for holiday cooking, the aesthetic here is clean and minimalist enough to fit into any modern decor without feeling like an eyesore. But good looks mean nothing if the performance is not there. Under the surface, it uses a high-quality copper coil which is essential for induction cooking. This allows the unit to heat your cookware directly and incredibly quickly. I tested it with a standard stainless steel pan, and the response time was impressive. Because it is an induction cooker, it is significantly more energy efficient than your traditional gas or even electric coil stove. You are not losing heat to the surrounding air, which means your electricity bill will thank you, and your kitchen will stay much cooler during the summer months. The control interface gives you two primary ways to cook. You have power mode for those times you just need to get water boiling as fast as possible, and temperature mode, which ranges from 140 degrees up to 464 degrees Fahrenheit. This range is excellent for tasks that require precision, like melting chocolate, simmering delicate sauces, or searing a steak. With 10 distinct power levels, you have plenty of granularity to get the heat exactly where you want it. Safety is another area where the AirHood does a solid job. It includes intelligent cookware detection, so it will not waste energy if there is no pot on the burner. It also features a 30-second auto shut-off if it detects that the unit is sitting idle, and it includes built-in overheat protection. This gives you peace of mind, especially if you are prone to multitasking in the kitchen. Now, for the pros and cons. The biggest strength here is definitely the form factor. It is portable, slim, and incredibly easy to store in a drawer. The heating speed is top tier, and the energy efficiency is a major upgrade over traditional cooking methods. On the flip side, keep in mind that because this is an induction cooker, you absolutely must use magnetic, induction-compatible cookware. If your pans are aluminum or copper, they will not work on this surface. Also, while it is great for most everyday meals, the surface area is best suited for small to medium-sized pans, so it might not be the best choice for massive stockpots. In conclusion, the AirHood Ultra-Slim Induction Cooker is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to modernize their kitchen or add a high-performance burner to their countertop. It hits that sweet spot of portability, efficiency, and precise temperature control that many budget cooktops simply miss. If you are looking to upgrade your cooking game, this is a very strong contender. Link in the description.